here. A couple little beautiful little natural islands, and off over here is, this one is called Dalian Island. If you can see, there's actually a little house up there. Kind of cool to go see that, but I don't think we're gonna make it. Lovely sparkling oceans. Finally bringing our little journey to a close. Coming into now. Warm people. It's morning. And there's the bungee jump. No way. And that's our little ferry rider on Dalian. Yay! Yay!
Here's how it all began. Everything started with the Big Bang. It was a Saturday night, and God and his roommate, Chugs, were arm wrestling. You going down, man? Oh, dude, that is sick. Yeah, undefeated. Oh, wait. Here comes another one. Quick, give me your lighter.